Hi there and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and if this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I would definitely appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and bell notification so you know when I post. So guys, if you don't know, I am always wearing either abayas or atampa. Atampa meaning like your native whatever. But yeah guys, I'm always wearing atampa and abaya. My friends are always saying, or my friend and my sister, they're always saying that, oh, atampa makes you look older, oh, atampa makes you, I'm like, I don't care, it looks nice on me. I love wearing atampa. So I had to learn how to tie different styles just to, you know, keep it spicy. I don't know what that was, but basically I tie a few different styles just to kind of, I don't know, feel different and feel funky depending on where I'm going to. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite or my top hair tie styles that I tie when I'm wearing my Ankara / atampa or whatever it is you call it. But yeah, the rest of the video is going to be a voiceover and I will see you at the end. So guys, this is the hair tie I'm going to be using for this tutorial, and it's a decent size. I'm just going to go ahead and fold it into two, and I usually fold it in like a triangular shape. And then moving on to the first style, I'm just going to place that over my head and make sure both ends are equal, and then just like take it backwards and do a crisscross. I think that's what you call it. Yeah, just do a crisscross and then bring it forward, and then of course just make it as tight as you want to sit on your head. And then you take one side, it doesn't matter what side, just take one side and place it across your head, and then hold it down and take the other side and take it across, while also trying to maintain like a nice step with the hair tie. And then you just tuck that extra bit in here to just give it somewhere to stay. And then I'm taking like the extra bit at the back and using it also for another step, and I'm going to take it over the steps I already have and just tuck it in somewhere at the back, just somewhere that makes it look nice and not too sloppy. So the next part is to take the excess you have at the back and just tuck it somewhere else. The one thing with Ankara hair ties is you just have to tuck in everything somewhere. That's just how it works. So this is me just pushing it backwards a bit, and you can push it as far back as you want. And yeah, that is basically all for this hair tie. And yeah, that's it. So moving on to hair tie number 2, it's somewhat similar to the first one, but after flipping it back, I'm going to make one side short and the other side long, and then I'm going to do like the crisscross at the back similar to the first style. And then I'm going to take the longer part and take it across my head. Same thing with working with the steps just to make it neat. And then I am going to go ahead and tie the both ends together. Just tie it so it looks neat and tuck it in. After that, I am going to go in with this excess bit over here and just kind of like try and arrange it into a step. You can make it as flat or as high as you want to again. And then I am going to take that extra bit and excuse me, take it across to the other side and also tuck it in at the back. This style is somewhat similar to the first one. It just depends on how you want to make it made. And then I'm going to take the extra at the back and tuck it in, and as usual just go ahead and adjust the steps as high or as neat as you want it. And this is what the back looks like. And yeah, that's all for this hair tie. Moving on to hair tie number 3, this is the one that is a bit like difficult. I just do a crisscross at the front this time instead of at the back, and you take one part here and then tuck it, like take it across neatly and tuck it behind. Guys, with Ankara hair ties, I feel like most of the styles involve tucking in things. But yeah, after doing that, I'm going to take in the other part, take it across also, and then tuck it at behind my back. And then this is me just adjusting the crisscross at the front because I wanted it at the middle and not by the side, so you can adjust this to wherever you want. And then I'm going to go back with the excess at the top and just individually start taking them and making the steps and tucking them behind my back. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here. Taking in that excess at the back and just tucking it. It's just for you to find somewhere to tuck it in and find a way to lie it, and then as usual adjust it the way it feels nice for you. just adjust the back. This is what the back look like, and then also adjust the steps and adjust the crisscross depending on how you want it. And then the next style is, my mom calls it Turokagasia, but yeah, this is basically the hair tie in the triangular format. I just did like 2 folds at the front, and then I placed it on my forehead. With the rest of the hair ties or with the other styles, I place them like at my hairline, but this one is usually like just above your brows. And then I do like a crisscross at the back again, take one flap and tuck it in, and then same thing with the other flap, and just basically, tuck it in as nicely as you want it to look. And then as usual, make adjustments, tuck in the back, and there you have it, Turokagasia. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So guys, now to the final look. I'm just going to do the same thing, have the front folded, equal in both sides, and then take it to the back and just kind of like make a knot, or just tuck it, just fold it and tuck it in there. And that's basically it. This is literally like the simplest one, and I usually tuck in that extra bit just because I want to. You can as well leave it, it's the same thing. And yeah, that is basically it. Simple, no stress, and yeah, that's all. So guys, those are basically like my favorite top Ankara hairstyles. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. As usual, if you did, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section which style is your favorite. This is like my second favorite, to be honest. This is when I don't want to stress. This is so easy, like no stress whatsoever. But yeah, let me know in the comment section which one you liked. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe, bell notification so you know when I post a new video. And what else? And yeah, follow me on Instagram. I just started posting on pictures on Instagram because I was over Instagram for like the longest time, but I think I'm coming back into it. So yeah, follow me on Instagram and Pinterest. I've always been into Pinterest, but for some reason I just fell in love. When I went off Instagram, I fell in love with Pinterest. So yeah, follow me on Pinterest also. My socials will be here, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.